Right now I'm going to go and perform a driving maneuver that's perfectly legal in the state I live in, but it's not legal in every state. Watch and see if you can catch what I'm doing. Here I'm doing it first from the left lane and again from the right lane. Did you notice what I did? I changed lanes in an intersection, which, as I said, is legal in this state and many others, but it's also something I'm telling you not to do, even if you won't get a ticket for it. Just because something is legal doesn't mean it's the safe thing to do when driving. So why shouldn't you change lanes in an intersection? An intersection can be a very complicated place with a lot of moving parts. Cars, trucks, SUVs, and pedestrians can be coming from all directions, and everything is controlled by traffic lights, don't walk signs, and lines on the road. When everybody does what they're supposed to do, then everybody is safe. But if you don't do what other drivers expect you to do, like stay in your lane when crossing through an intersection, that can throw things off. For example, this car is at the stoplight on the right, waiting to make a legal right turn on a red light onto the same road I'm on. They're watching the oncoming traffic to their left, waiting for a big enough gap in traffic so they can start their turn and pull into the right lane. They see me driving in the left lane towards them, and they probably assume that I'm going to stay in that lane. Because of that, they might start to inch out and begin to make their turn into the right lane. And if I wasn't paying good attention to them and wasn't anticipating what they could potentially do, I might decide to move into the right lane because I needed to turn off the roadway up ahead to the right. Or I might be in a hurry and I change lanes suddenly because I think traffic is moving faster in that lane. Whatever the reason, if I switch lanes and it causes me to pass through the intersection, what could happen if the other driver on the right had already gone ahead and started pulling into the right lane? That could cause an accident, or we might have a very close call. And I've seen a few very close calls. It could also be a pedestrian stepping off of a curb before they should, or someone on a bicycle, or any number of things. Also, sometimes your visibility in an intersection is limited, especially if you're in a car that's low and there are larger vehicles beside or in front of you. This makes it even more important to not be changing lanes in the middle of an intersection when you don't have a clear view of what's going on around you as you approach it. Instead, if you do have to change lanes on the roadway for some reason, make sure you do it before or after any intersections you have to drive through. If possible, get into the lane you need to be in ahead of time and well before you get to where you need to turn off. Also, scan intersections up ahead as you approach them, looking out for potential hazards from vehicles already on the same road you're on and from those attempting to enter it. So don't change lanes in an intersection, because it can confuse other drivers, putting you and them in a dangerous situation, leading to a greater chance of being involved in a collision. The safest way for you to drive through an intersection is to stay in your lane and drive straight ahead. And there you have it. One more way to become a safer driver. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and drive safe.